Kia ora koutou. Welcome to part 25 about Ngā Momo Kupu. This video is about 3 words that can be used to mean types of or kinds of something. And they are tū, momo, and tūmomo. These are the 3 kupu that I'm going to be talking about in this video. I'll be giving you some practical examples and sentence examples that I'm hoping will help you start using these momo kupu in your everyday reo. We'll start with tū. Tū can mean a lot of different things. It can mean to stand or take place, as in an event or occasion. It can mean to remain. It can mean to be erected, like a structure or a building. And it can even mean to stop. There are so many other ways that we can use the kupu tū, and I'm sure you're already aware of these. But in this video, we're going to be using tū to mean a type of something. When it's used in this way, it sits in front of a tūingoa. Here's our first example. Kua waia ia, he is familiar, ki tēnei tū mahi, with this type of work. And another example using tū with mahi to mean a type of work. Kua tauhu ia, ki tērā tū mahi. He is unfamiliar with that type of work. The next kupu that I'm going to be showing you that means a type of something is momo. Just like the way we use tū to mean a type, momo is followed by a noun. And here's a few examples. The first one is related to the name of this video. He momo kupu, a type of word. The next example, tērā momo rākau, that type of tree. Here's some sentence examples now. He aha tēnei momo kai. What type of food is this? He momo huawhenua tēnā. That is a type of vegetable. And another, he momo toho rā te kākahi. The orca is a type of whale. One other way of using momo is where it stands on its own, without the tūingoa. And here's an example to show you what I mean. I a te whakarongo au ki ngā pū kōrero me a rātou kōrero hōhonu. Ko tāku tino tērā momo. I listen carefully to the orators and their profound messages. Those are my favourite kind. The last example I'll be showing you is tūmomo. This is used in the same way as tū and momo. Here's some examples of tūmomo in a sentence. He pai tērā tūmomo rautaki mā te kaiako. That type of strategy is good for teachers. Next one. I kai ngā manuhiri i ngā ika me etahi atu tūmomo kaimoana. The visitors ate fish and other types of seafood. And the last one. Ko te rōpere, taku tūmomo hua rākau pai rau ake. Strawberries are my favourite kind of fruit. So that's all for now about tū, momo and tūmomo. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please click the subscribe button. Ka nui te mihi kia koutou. Hei konā.